Welcome to OpenBOM. Today we're going to see the SOLIDWORKS integration, how to get started. So first log in to create an account, go to openbom.com, register and create an account. So that will be the first step. After that, you can just log in, and from the main page, you can actually go and download the SOLIDWORKS integration. So you can go into the integrations page, focus on Dassault Systèmes SOLIDWORKS and download the installer. So after you have completed that, you should have the add-in loaded in SOLIDWORKS, and you can see the OpenBOM panel when you open an assembly. Okay, so the add-in should be installed. If it's not, just find it and load the OpenBOM Extractor add-in to SOLIDWORKS. So after that, you are presented with the quick start mode, where you can just simply just create a BOM directly from SOLIDWORKS. It will default the properties like configuration name, description, part number. You can review them and see the quick start configuration. Have a look on edit and see what sort of information you can bring to OpenBOM from SOLIDWORKS properties, and also the default part number. If there's no properties in the part number, it will default to the SOLIDWORKS file name. So all you have to do is just click on the Create BOM button, and this will process and extract the BOM directly from SOLIDWORKS, and you have your first bill of material. It's a couple of seconds. There you go. You can then see this information either on the side panel of SOLIDWORKS, so you can just open on the side panel, or open directly on your browser by clicking that link or just on that button. I will just show you on the panel, and then we'll have a look on the generated bill of material also on a web browser for a full web page. As you can see, we can see our structure extracted with assemblies, sub-assemblies. So we can also disconnect text wrap, and later on we'll see how to create different views to show different pieces of information. And there you go. You have all the information extracted with the right quantities, assemblies, sub-assemblies, all the levels from here. And you can easily switch to a flattened view, where you can see total numbers straight away from all levels, from all components. There you go. So this is an introductory video. Thank you, and see you on the next video.